as usual only. So today only we take that. So let us move to the further. So in the previous session, I hope we I hope that yesterday I did not upload the notes on time, correct? So I uploaded in the afternoon, right? Have you gone through it? Right. So yesterday, somehow I forget students. Like how you forget the answers, like that I forget notes uploading also. Generally, I don't forget, but I don't know. Yesterday, somehow I forget. So I uploaded today afternoon. So now we'll continue with conditional statements. There we will go for it. Conditional statements, if you observe it, we already had a discussion related to simple if else statement, and then if and else statement. Today, I want to go for what? Match case statement I want to take up. Match case statement I want to discuss. So let us start with match case statement. So I'm going to discuss about match case statement here. So let's start with match case statement. So match case statement is one of the facility available from 3.10 version onwards. This match case statement available from 3.10 version onwards is a new feature available from Python 3.10 version onwards. So what is the use of this match case statement? The purpose of match case statement is that to implement menu driven applications. Have you heard about menu driven applications? Have you do you heard about menu driven applications? Don't know? Okay. Do you know menu when you go to fast food center? Do you know? You don't know? Yes, you know. What is there in that? Some items are there, right? Is it changed? It is a fixed. Fixed. That are called. Satish. ఈరోజు ఆ రూల్ ఏం లేదు పంపించే దట్ రూల్ ఇస్ ఈరోజు ఏం లేదు ఆ రూల్ న్యూ రూమ్ దే డోంట్ నో సెండ్ సో ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాచ్ కేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇస్ దట్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ మెను డ్రివెన్ అప్లికేషన్ ఆర్ we can also call it as what? This menu is containing some fixed values are present. So we call it as what, students? Pre-designed conditions. That means already that conditions are generated, like already they are fixed. I'll show the examples so that you'll get a complete clarity on it. So here, let me go for syntax. Directly go for syntax here, students. So after finishing that, still I will tell you some more points here. Through syntax, I will explain. Carefully try to follow. I'm writing match case syntax. I'm going to write it. Before the match case syntax, I would like to tell about menu driven application examples I want to show. Skeleton example. So first example of menu driven application I want to write it. For example, take an example like this. Here I am writing arithmetic operations. Here I am writing arithmetic operations. So there we are having what? Some set of operations I am taking. There I am writing 1 for addition, 2 for multiplication, and 3 for subtraction, and 4 for multiplication, and 5 for division, and 6 for what? Modulo division, and floor division and all those things will come under this division only. Next, I'm going to take up 7 for what? 7 for exit. So these are comes under what? One of the example of menu driven application. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Like this. This is one of the example of what? Menu driven application. So what did you understand with this concept? This is a operations list and you are having something like a enter your choice. Take an example of ATM operations you take. When you go to the ATM center, what will be the options which are available? Are they looking like menus or not? So deposit, withdraw, balance inquiry, pin generate, pin change. They are all called what? Menus. So these are all called what? Operation names. These operation names are internally given and we are giving some sort of what label here. What are the labels I am giving here? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are called what? Come on. These are all called what? Labels. And these are all called what? Operation names. Operation names. So we do this operation name. We do this operation performing based on what? Labels. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as what? Case labels we can call. Spell out case labels. Case labels we can call. Each case label is containing what? Operation identification here. If I say the enter choice is called 1, if the label is 1, I have to perform which operation? Addition operation. So I have to perform next what? Multiplication, subtraction, multiplication and division and then what? Modulo division and then if I say whichever operation I will say, I have to perform such type of operation here. So if I enter the operation, if you enter the choice called what? 4. If I enter the choice called 4, I need to go for what? Why 2 times written here? So 2 times written. So I'll remove this. 2 times, no, only 1 time. I will go for 4. 4 I will go and I'll go for 5 and then 6. So if I enter the value called what? If I enter the value called 4, I need to do what? Division. Under the division, I will do 2 operations. One is called what? Floor division and one more is floor division and one more is normal division I will perform. Are you able to follow? So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called case labels. And all the case labels must be unique. All the case labels must be unique. Students, online students, I think you are following me. These kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are case labels. The case label type in this program is integers I am taking. Which type of things? Int. I am taking int. Let me take one more example, students. One more example I will take it. You have to implement this. Some of the examples I will do. Some more examples you have to do it as a homework. So there I am going to take it one more thing. There I am going to take a, here I am going to write it. Something like areas of different figures. Areas of different figures. Different figures. Careful. There I am going to do it something like this. R for rectangle. R for rectangle. What is this R is called? Come on. Case label. Next, S for what? Square. And the next C for what I am taking? Circle. C for circle. C for circle I am taking. And next is called what? T. What is the T for here? Triangle. I am writing triangle. And E for what I am writing? Exit. Exit I am going to take it. This is going to be the value called what? Enter your choice again here. Enter your choice. I'm going to take it. Enter your choice. So there I'm going to take up. Enter your choice. The choices are what? R, S, T, C, T, E. What is this R, S, T, C, T, E are called? Case labels. Here the case labels are what? Numerics. So generally, in all the times the case labels can be generally recommended to take either int. Here I am writing. Case labels can be either can be either int type or what? str type. Or bool type also you can take it, but with bool type you cannot prepare more than two, right or not? So either true or false is only two labels will be coming, more than two labels will not come. But I already said to you, case labels can be any number. All the case labels must be unique. All the case labels must be unique. So I hope that you understood. And this is tool, but not recommended to take. Not recommended to take. Come on, float values. Float values. Why we can't take float values? Because float values doesn't have certainty. Certainty will not be provided. That's why float values are not recommended to take as case labels. Clear? Now, one more example I will give you, students. This is all because these are all called regular things. Of course, this is the easiest thing. This is one time that system test it can be. And one more system test I'm going to give you. What is the another example for this I'm writing here? Students, here you observe it. There I'm going to write it. Here it is going to be like this. Temperature conversion scale. Temperature conversion scale. So, temperature conversion scale. Conversion scale. Do you know temperature conversion scale? How many temperatures are there? How many conversions are there? How many? Two na, three na, four na? Two na, three na? So, I'm going to write it 4 and 5 and then 6 and then 7. How many temperature conversions are? 7. So actually 3 only. Actually 3 only. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. Sorry is written 6 and 7 is for exit. You are most intelligent students. So come to the point back. Come on, fast. Fahrenheit to Celsius. F2C. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Suppose if you go to the Google, if you just try to write over there, temperature conversion, you will be getting one calculator will open or not. That is a one. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Next is called what? Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Kelvin. Next is called what? Celsius to Fahrenheit. And next is called what? Celsius to Kelvin. Kelvin. Next what? Kelvin to, right? Kelvin to Fahrenheit. And next is called what? Kelvin to Celsius. Celsius. Then I will take it as what? Exit. So this is Fahrenheit to Celsius. One more is also there. Seventh one I will write. What is that? Yes. Kelvin to Celsius. Correct. So 7 is called what? Exit. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. I need to go for taking this type of choice. So I need to enter the choice, students. This I will enter which whenever ask fourth one. What is the input to be taken? Celsius to be taken, and I need to convert into Kelvin. This formulas I need to take it. So what are the case labels here? Come on. Integers. What are the case labels here? STR. What are the case labels here? So case labels can be either integer or STR, but not recommended to take float. And also not recommended to take bool also. Bool will take only true or false. Only two case labels are possible. Able to follow? Right. Students, now we'll move to the further here. These are comes under some of the conversions here. Now I'll move to the syntax. I will write, students. Syntax. Carefully try to follow. As I am writing it, match. Match. Match is going to be a keyword. Match is going to be a keyword. But officially, so far, match is not added in the keywords list. Because recently, the 3.10 is made as a secured software. Very recently made. Very soon that is going to be made as what? Import. What is this now? Keyword as K dot KW list. K dot what? KW list. So here you see there is no match. There is no match. Are you following me? And that too we are using 3.12.5. So far they did not write any type of 3.12.5. They did not add this 3.10 because very recently the Python 3.1 is made as what? Secured. Are you able to follow? This is called what? Proposed keyword, student. You have to use the word called what? Proposed. Because when the software is updating, they will add that keywords in the further stages. So right now there is no keyword. So it is working. When it is working means compulsory it knows to the Python software or not. Match. Here I am writing choice expression. Choice expression. You will enter the choice expression value, indentation symbol, and you are going to write under that indentation symbol case label 1. Label 1. Case is also called what? Keyword. Case is also keyword, proposed keyword. Case is also not there. Are you following me? Case is also not there. Even if I write match is equal to 12, no problem. Print of what? Match. You can use it. Match. You can use it. So that means any variable, any kind of keyword is any type of keyword is there. We cannot use it as a variable name. Come on, fast. 23 is called what? Syntax error. Beginning variable declaration concept I said. If is called 23 is an error. Next is called else is equal to what? 34 error. But here case is equal to 3.4. Sorry. Case is equal to what? 3.4. Print of what here? Case. And next I am writing what? Type of case. I am writing type of case. Here I am going to write it. It is going to be type of case is what here? Float. So match is not a keyword. Match is not a keyword. Case is not a keyword at present in the present list of keywords. They are proposed. In further versions, it is going to come. Are you following me? Suppose if they are not keyword, according to that, they should not work, right? But they are working. That means they are reserved for made as keyword. Understand this point? Well, so coming to the point of it, here I will write it block of statements, block of statements, block of statements, block of statements 1. Next I will, if the choice expression is matching with what? Label 1, it executes what? Block of statements 1. I will write it what now? Case, come on, label 2. Label 2. What is that indentation once again? What is, very good. Block of statements 2. Good. Next I will write it what? Case label 3. Case label 3. What is that? Block of statements 3. So on, like this. How many case labels? N number of case labels I can write it. Case label, what is that? 3. N, sorry. Yes, good. And execute what? Block of statements N. Block of statements N. And followed by what? Followed by what? Other statements in the program. Other statements in the program. Students, other statements in program. Other statements in program. Right. And let me tell you here, all of you take the flow and I will immediately go for the coding. The choice expression is matching with what? Case label 1. What is happening, ma? It will execute the corresponding block of statements and come out of it and executes what? Other statements in the program. If choice expression is not matching with what? Label 1, it will go to what? Case label 2. If it is matching, execute the case block of statements 2 and go to where? Other statements in the program. Suppose if choice expression is not matching with the label 1, not matching with the label 2, matching with the label 3, execute label 3 block of statements and execute other statements in the program. If choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, simply it will go to where? Other statement. But as a good programmer, take our example, enter your choice. I am entering 44. 44. Is my 44 is matching with any one of the labels? I should tell to the end user, what he will tell? Invalid choice, try again I need to say. So that is a part of what I want to tell. Through match case only I want to tell. If my choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, there is one more type of case is there, which is called a default case block we can call. What is that? Default case block. So I'm writing there case underscore, spell out case underscore. It is known as what? Default case block. This is known as default case block. There I'm going to write it. Default case block, default block of statements, default block of statements. Here I'm writing default block of statements. Default block of statements, I will write it. I hope you are following me. So, come on to the point. This is default case block statement to be written at the last only. To be written at the last only. You cannot write this default block in the middle. You cannot write in this one in the beginning of it. Sir, why? Because every choice expression is matched with what? Default only. So, if anything is not matching, then only it will go to where? Default case block. Writing the default case block is optional. If I write this in the beginning or in the middle, you will get syntax error. I'll show you that part also. Shall I repeat once again? Choice expression is going to be entered by the user. If that is matching with what? Any one of the case label, the PVM will execute corresponding case block of statements and executes what here? Other statements in the program. If my choice expression is not matching with any one of the case labels, then it goes to where? Default case block. Simply I will tell the message there, your selection of operation is wrong, try again. Your selection of operation is wrong, try again. And go to where? Other statements in the program. Is it clear? Right. Coming to the point back, this is comes under match case statements and other statements explanation here. Shall we go for the implementation now? So let us look at this. Here I am going to take it. In this case, for example, I am going to take up a simple skeleton. I am going to talk about it. What is that now? Here I am writing CH is equal to, come on, enter, input of, enter your choice. Enter your choice. Here I will write it. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. There I am going to take it. How do you write it now? Match of CH. Match of CH. What I will do? Case 1. Which kind of code you write it? Code for what? Addition. Code for addition. I'll write the code for addition. You know how to write the code for addition. Case 2. What you will write it? Code for multiplication. Similarly, I'll write case 3. I'll write what here? Code for subtraction. Case 3, case 4, code for what? Division. Code for division. Similarly, I will go write the code for floor division also, don't worry. Code for modulus. Code for, this is subtraction code. Code for subtraction, I will write it. Code for division also, I will write it. And code for, come on, modulo division. Modulo division, I will write it. And last, I will write it. Case. Now I will write it. Case 6, I will write it. Exit code, I will write it. Exit code. How to exit it, I will tell you, nothing to worry. Now I am writing, enter your choice, 44 entered. Match of 44. First it is trying to match with what? 1, not matching. Go to where? 2, not matching. Also not matching, also not matching, also not matching. Simply go to where? Default case block. See, syntax, default case block. Is it necessary to write or not? It is always recommended, a good programmer always will write default case block. Are you following me? So even in telecalling, voice-based messages, 1 for Telugu, 2 for Hindi, 4 for something, main menu. So present, press 1 for this, press 2 for this, something is coming or not? That 1, 2, 3 pressing is called what? Labels. Case labels. So I will write it what? Default case block. If we press other than that symbol, it will say go to main menu, press something like that, you will get it. What is this now? Simply I will write a message. What is the message? Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again, I will say. Try again. I will say here. Try again. I am writing try again. I hope you are following this. So match of CH, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, like that I wrote it. Now students, one important point I want to cover students here. So this part is done and you understood this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are called what here? Case label. If not matching with case labels, it will simply go to where? Default case block. Now this one you observe it. This one you observe it. What is happening now? Simply I will try to take care about. Simply I will carry this and see this now. Here I will try to carry and I'll try to implement. In this case, I'm taking what? Strings. I should not write what? Into conversion, I should not write it. I have to write. What should I write it? Or I need to write. It is a string now. I need to write that code for what? Code for rectangle area. Rectangle area. Next is called what? Yes. Yes. This is a code for what? Square area. I'll write the code for that entire thing. Square area. And the next is what? C. Even I can write in single quote also, no problem. Because it is also called what? Right. Code for circle area. Circle area. Next is called what? Code for T. Even you can write in triple double quotes also, no problem. But why to waste our time of typing that? Code for what? Triangle area, for example. And 6 I will, 5 I will write it. This is called what? E. E I will write it exit. Okay, na? Exit code. And selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Students, careful. This is capital R is written as like this. Now, for example, somebody enter capital R. This choice is matching with the capital R, executing the code for rectangle area. Rectangle area. Suppose they entered small r, they entered. For example, small r. They entered small r. That time what will happen? Definitely this is not matching. It will go to where? Default. But a small r or capital R are representing what? So I need to write what here? One solution is what? Irrespective of what they are entering, you can happily write what? Off. Already I said the concept for you. So whether they enter small r or capital R, you are converting into what? Upper off. So that it is matching our case labels. Another way is what I want to tell you now is, sir, I want to write it. Capital R, okay. Small r also chance is there. That time I want to write what? Small r also. Either capital R or what? Small r. So what should I write here? That means for one case, there is a chance of writing more than one case label. So what should I write over there? One. R. That is the wrong answer. We should not write R. We should not write R. We have to use bitwise R. We have to use bitwise R. Very, very important. Not normal R. Which are? So what is the use of bitwise R we have seen? We use it in union kind of operation. We can also use multiple case labels connected with what? Bitwise R. So R implementation in that is to concatenate or to take multiple case labels. I will use what? Bitwise R I will use. So I am using what? Small s also I am using. And I am using here small s also. So I will use like this. Small c also I will use it. Either capital C or small c. So small t also I am using. Capital E I am writing. Or I am writing what? Small e also I am writing. It is called which code? Exit code. Are you able to follow, students? So the point to remember here is, for one operation, if you want to go for multiple case labels, those multiple case labels will be combined with bitwise R operator. That is the concept of which one? Match case. Syntax is clear? Right. Let me show you the concept. Then I will go to the programming continuously. Let me show you, students. Rather than typing the same thing again, I will go to conditional statement. Under that match case statement, I will go. Please, all of you, read out. Everybody read out. Match case statement is one of the conditional statement available from 3.10 version onwards. The purpose of match case statement is that to deal with predefined conditional statements or menu-driven applications. Menu-driven applications. The menu-driven applications contains pre-designed conditions. Pre-designed conditions. So here, next syntax I'm going to take. Match choice expression. Match choice expression. Coming to the point of it, the case choice label 1 corresponding block of statements. Case label 2 corresponding block of statement. Every label corresponding. Default also default case. Explanation I am writing. What is an explanation? Here, match and case are the keywords. In the bracket, always proposed. You don't tell that directly they are keywords. If they ask you, these are the keywords. Where is that keywords? Keywords not there. Right or not? So, coming to the point of it, now, this is not the keywords. Still they did not make it keyword. That's why you have to speak always more perfectly, students. Proposed. Choice expression represents either int or str or bool. If choice expression is matching with case label 1, then PVM executes block of statements 1 and later executes other statements in the program. If choice expression is matching with case label 2, then PVM executes block of statements 2 and later executes other statements in the program. In general, choice expression is trying to match with case label 1, case label 2, case label n, and PVM executes corresponding block of statements and later execute other statements in the program. Understood? Good. If the choice expression is not matching with any specified case labels, then PVM executes a default block of statements which are written under default case block. That is a case underscore, and later executes other statements in the program. Writing default case block is optional, and if we write, then it must be written at last. It must be written at last. Otherwise, we get syntax error. So when we represent multiple case labels under one case, then those case labels must be combined with bitwise OR operator. Understood that? So this is a concept coverage. Now I need to go for the program coverage here. See here, I gave to the students. See, these are some one example. This is one more example. This is a temperature calculation conversion. I gave the formulas also. So actually, even I don't know the formula, you don't know the formula. We can search in the internet, we can get the formulas. These are the formulas I am giving. Whichever example you will say, I will implement that example. So first is there, second is there, third is there. Which one you want me to do it? Come on. Third one, huh? Right. Third one I will go for it. Write down, open the notes. Online students, is the concept is clear? Is the concept is clear? First you please respond it, all of you. Is this concept is clear? Good. Now enter that. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement temperature conversion calculator, which will implement temperature conversion calculator, which will implement temperature conversion calculator. Temperature conversion calculator. So just take up this part you take up to here. Whatever is highlighted, you take it. Or if you want to take it, you take this also. This also you take it. Come on, fast. Whatever is highlighted, you take that in the notes. Is this room is good or our room is good? That room is only. Okay. Why talking? Girls talking. Write down. Oh, no? Right. So let us move to the explanation, implementation. I will go, students. Let's go to the pie chart. Let's go to the pie chart here. I'm going to enter into that. Srija, is it clear my voice, ma? Close this part. Now I'm going to enter into this place. Take 4 p.m. conditional statements. 4 p.m. conditional statements. Take this example. I'm going to take a new. Here I'm writing match case example1.py. Match case example1.py. So there I'm trying to write it. I want to implement that entire thing now. So how do you write the code here? Go to the place. This entire conversion scale I will take it. Take care, students. Foreign heat to Celsius, foreign heat to Kelvin, and foreign heat to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin. So I will go to the requested component and 1, 2, 3 like that I will define. So I will go to something like this. So whatever the way that diagrammatic format is available, I will take it. So now I will take, quickly I will write it. Now I am writing here, carry out this, print off. There I am going to write it. And after typing this entire thing, finally I will show you one simple intelligent statement for this entire thing. And here I am going to write it. One by one I will write it. So here I am writing print of what? \t, number 1. What is the first one? Foreign heat to Celsius. Foreign heat to Celsius. So I'll take it. So like that I will just to go for, I'll make the skeleton 2, I will make it ready. So 3 also I will make it ready. Just I will copy at one stretch. So here 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and then 6. 6, 7 is also there. 7. Now I'll go to first one is done. Second one, foreign heat to what? When you are implementing now, you write complete, okay? When you are implementing, you write complete, okay, students? Next, after that, Celsius to foreign heat, Celsius to foreign heat, and Celsius to Kelvin. Kelvin. Next, after that, Kelvin to foreign heat, Kelvin to foreign heat, and Kelvin to, yes, Celsius. And then this is exit. Okay. So this is done. You try to run this now. You try to run this now. Backslash T, yes, correct. Backslash T, I will take it. Backslash T, I will write, students. So I will try to run this now. See, once this is going to be an output here. And here I need to give you what? Enter your choice. Here I need to take what? Enter the choice. So whatever is the menu is given, that menu as it is I am showing. Like, now I am going to take up, enter your choice I am saying here. So enter your choice. What to do now there, ma? Enter your choice. CH is equal to, my data is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely I need to give input of enter your choice. Enter your choice. I need to go for it. There I am going to write it. Match of what? CH. You can happily implement with what? If conditions also you will use it. If else if also you can use it. But they give according to the PSF specification. If any pre-designed conditions are coming, you try to use match case they are saying. See match, there is no red underline is available. That means definitely it is having some significance in Python software. There I will write it. Come on, what is this now? Case 1. What is the case 1? Case is also not having any red underline. I need to write which code? Fahrenheit to Celsius. What is my input? Fahrenheit temperature. So I will take it. F is equal to float of input of enter the temperature temperature in terms of in terms of F, in terms of Fahrenheit. But F I got it. Once you got this F, I have a formula here. What is this now? Fahrenheit to Celsius. I'll carry this formula, students. I'll put it over here. So I will write a star symbol here. Are you knowing this? Are you understanding? So F minus 32 star 5 by 9. This is a one formula is prepared. So I will print what here? What is the formula I will prepare? What I need to prepare? Celsius temperature. So temperature in terms of what? In terms of C is equal to dot format of what? C. This is called what? One case number 1. Case number 2 I got the temperature in terms of Fahrenheit, whose formula is this one into Celsius that I entered here. The same example, I will carry this. Case 2 I am saying, case 2, careful students, 2. What is this 2 here? Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So there I need to write it. Temperature in terms of F. What is my formula here? Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Same thing. I will carry this. I will paste it over here. This is called what? K. And this part I will say star. This part I will say star. So here I am writing K. Temperature in terms of what? K. Got it. This is case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is Fahrenheit to this one, Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So next is what? Celsius to Fahrenheit, Celsius to Kelvin. Case number 3 I will take it. Case number 3. So what is the case number 3? Case number 3. I'll carry this. So case number 3. What is the case number 3? Celsius to Fahrenheit. So enter the temperature in terms of what? C. You get it in C. So there I need to go for C. I will remove this formula. What you are getting into? Fahrenheit. So F is equal to. So look at the formula sheet and try to write it over here. So temperature in terms of F. And I will write it as what? F here. So go to this place, formula sheet, and Celsius to Fahrenheit. See, this one I will carry, students. I'll put it over here. So this part, I need to say C into, maybe know this 9 by 5, 1.5 out also. You'll be getting this. Case number 4. The case number 4. Celsius to Kelvin. 4. Same temperature only. Kelvin I need to carry. This formula I will carry. This is formula I will carry. So here, K. Temperature in terms of what? K. So I will get it in the form of K. So this is called case number 4, students. Case number 5 and 6 I will get it. Case number 5 and 6. What is the case number 5? Temperature in terms of what? K. In terms of K. So I will calculate what? This is called a K. So there I am going to get it. I think it is Fahrenheit. Celsius to, according to I know, Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So Kelvin to Fahrenheit. This formula I will carry. This point I will carry. So this formula I will write in terms of F. In terms of F is coming. Obviously, I will write R symbol over here. Then next case number 6. Case number 6. 6 or 7? 6. What is the 6? Yes. So Celsius temperature, I need to carry this formula here. So calculate it. Minus, and I'll write what here? C in terms of C. So that's all. 6 I will go for it is what exit. Simply I will say here, case number 6, students. Case number, this is called 6, this is called 7. Students, I will not write anything. Simply I will say, thanks for using this program. After 2 minutes I will show you an important point over there. Thanks for using this program. Why? Because if I enter exit, simply it will come to case number 7. Simply it will come to case number 7. It will execute. Go to the statement in the program or not? Yes, nothing you use over there. Simply I am writing here, program execution completed. But I want to show you an important thing over there. Program execution completed. I just wrote it like this. Students, carefully try to follow. Now I am going to run my program. So students, it is simple for you to write this code. Execute and enter your choice. For you to Celsius. I will enter number 1. Enter the temperature in terms of F. 98.3. 98.3. So whose temperature in terms of C is what? 36.8333, etc. I think temperature, at least this one. The normal temperature for the human body, I think so. This is called what? Equivalent temperature. In which part? Celsius part. So program execution completed. That means it is executing the case 1. Simply it is going where program execution completed, it is going. Rerun this code again. Rerun this code again. You will enter the temperature in terms of F. So 98.3. It is going to be in terms of what? Kelvin. Kelvin temperature is coming. According to the formula what they prescribe, we are getting it. Option number 2. Option number 2. Right next is what? 3. You enter the temperature in terms of 36.3. 36.3. It is going to be what? 97.34. Right? Next you enter something like 4. 4 you enter something like 36.8. 36.8. You see that it is going to be given 309.5. This is something like this. Kelvin, I am entering like this. Kelvin to what? Fahrenheit. You entered 309.05. Choice is what? 5. So I am writing here 309.05. It is going to give you what? 96.6. So something is coming. Next I will go for what? Choice number 6. I will see something like 312. 312. It is going to give you 38.85. Something is coming. I will write every time program execution is completed. You observe students. I say 34. 34 I wrote it. When I write 34 where it is going, simply it is going to do nothing. No default block is written. It is simply going to where program execution completed. It is not recommended students. Why? You are not commenting on the wrong input. You have to comment. That's why it is recommended for you to write always what? Default block. Default block you are recommended to write it. What is now? Case underscore. There I am writing in of what is this now? Your selection of operation. Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Try to run this now. Where I wrote the default block. This is called what? Default case block. This is the default case block. Try to run this code. See students. Here I wrote it. Case is 44. I wrote it. What is this now? Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Try again means I will show the menu once again or not. To show the menu once again, student, I will write it. Code itself now. But it's too early to write with that. I can write it. While true. Here I wrote it. Actually, I have to write it this entire thing. I have to write this entire thing under this point. Try to understand. If I say that you are 44, it is going to say what? Selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Execution is completed. It is showing the menu once again. I can do, but you don't know the meaning of what. Why do you don't know? That's why I'm not going to talk. Because after this completion, tomorrow itself I will introduce what loops I will introduce. Right now, don't worry about it. There are a lot of examples I'm going to use students. This is in the first level only I'm in. I'm in the first level only. Don't think that we are discussing a lot of coding segments and you will become perfect. Okay, now. So coming to the point of it, I will run this code and you will see in it. And then the default block which I written in the last part only. If I find this part, I'm trying to write in the beginning. I'm trying to write in the beginning. You see immediately you got a red underline indicates what? Syntax error. Syntax error. Why it is doing syntax error, you know, students? Case underscore represents every choice match with underscore only. Everything match with what? Underscore. So everything match with underscore means why do you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 then? Are you following or not? Why do you write everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now? That or not? That's why you have to write it where? End of third, not in the beginning. Try to run it. You see students, you will get it as syntax error. Default block will be written always in the last only, but not in the beginning. You have to write in the end of the program, end of the case, only not in the beginning of it. This is one thing you need to remember. Default case will be always in the last step. And then the last panel you see ma, observe it. Here I am going to write it. What happens? So I will remove. I did not. I will remove this. So remove that. I try to run students. Now this is my menu. Once again, you try to do this, students. 7 you say 7. 1 you say 7. What happens? Message is coming. Plus this is executing. That means it is executing. Plus this is also executing. Observe it. So and once you are using this program execution is completed. This is coming simply if I don't write anything. Those are coming from C++ language background. You have switch case statement there. You remember in switch case, every case that end of what will write. What will write? Break will write it. Break. You do not see language, but only I'm just saying. This is you heard about it. Break will write it. Break. So when you say break, what will happen? It will come out of the statement and execute the other statements in the program. Correct? Actually, break statement is used for what? Stopping program execution logically, come out of the while loop and execute what? Other statement. But here, break statement is there. Actually, use of break statement is to use inside the loops. I'll tell you about break statement because I listed that in the index of our subject. Break, if I write it, it is an error. Break keyword to be written when you use loops only. You cannot use break like this. It is called a syntax error. See the red underline? So we cannot use break statement normally like that. Break statement to be used when we use loop to come out of the loop in the middle of the execution. That I'll explain it. Today, after this is completed, it should not go to the program execution completed. For that, there is one module is there called sys. Spell out sys. What is sys? Module. So don't say system. Sys dot exit off. Sys dot exit off. Exit is a function present in which module? Sys. Import calendar. Calendar dot month of. Calendar is what? Module. NumPy is a module. You know, learning Python is not about learning about what? Modules. So that module I will import. Import is something like what? Our hash include kind of library. Include sys. So sys is a module. Don't worry about import. We'll explain in the class. Once you say exit, do you know what is happening? It will print exit It will not go to the further statement in the program. See the effect of exit. Now see students, coming to the point of it, here I am writing, what is that? 7. Whence if I say 7, thanks for using the program only will come. What will not come? Program execution will not come. That is known as what? Physical termination of the program. What is that? Physical termination of the program. See, thanks for using this program. Which one is not coming? Earlier, what was executed? That is called what? Normal termination. This is known as what? Physical termination. There are two things more. One is called what? Physical termination of the program. One more is called what? Logical termination of the program. When I use break statement, it is comes under what? Logical termination. When I use physical termination, that means it stops then and there. It won't go to the further. Are you following me? So coming to the point of it, whenever I use sys.exit, physical termination, when I use break statement, which I am telling in the further, that is called a logical termination. Are you able to follow? Simple. So coming to the point back, I think you are understanding the effect of what? Exit. You keep a comment here once again, keep a comment here, run again. I say 7. 7. Once it is 7, what is happening? It is taking, plus it is printing other things also. This is going to be a different type of termination. So better to go for what? Sys.exit. Sys is called what? Module. And Abhipsha is asking, what is the full form of sys and why to use sys? So already I am saying sys, why to use, and again why to use. So for some doubt also, some meaning must be there. What is the full form of sys? I don't tell full forms because Guido van Rossum only did not tell full form of sys. He did not say sys. Actually, operating system process termination, actually it is called. Operating system termination of the process. Because I am not an academic teacher, sys is called a system, OS is called operating system, DBM is called a database management system. I don't want to train you such a 1947 training. What is this? Model. No industry person will ask, tell me the full form of sys. If anybody asks you, that is called what? Gully level company. They don't give even first month salary also for you. Understand? So what is the use of that? At this present, it is containing a function called what? Which is used for what? Physical termination of the program. Okay? Abhipsha, are you okay? Now is it clear? So, Ishika, right? Sys is equal to system, she is saying. Ishika, Abhipsha is asking a doubt. You are responding. And both of them are going to be wrong direction. So, Abhipshari, boy or girl, ma'am? Huh? Girl, girl, Abhipsha, are you boy or girl? Oh, girl. Okay, girl means okay. So, girl doubt, girl answer. Abhipsha doubt is called what is this full form of sys? Ishika is saying that system. Both of them are friends. So, friends is friends. So, students, don't go to that. What is this? Model. What is the function contained in that? In further, some more functions I am going to tell about what? Sys. Right now, don't worry. It is used for what? Physical termination of the program. Did you understand the physical termination here? Good. So is it clear now? Good. Now enter into further. Is this clear? Is this example is clear? Now go to next what? Area of what? Different figures. What is the one you are using? STRs you are using. That also you can implement. Right? Easy or difficult? Easy. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. 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 So try to take up this now, students. You take up this highlighted one. This TV is good, na? So we'll take to our premises. This TV is good. Our projector is good. Huh? Projector is good, huh? This is not good. Small, okay. So our class, there is a jumbo class it is. It's a big class. So even I'm taking first time here class. First time. There I'm taking only all my classes from beginning onwards. Because they are disturbing these days. That's why we came today this place. Because yesterday also they disturbed a lot in the evening session. So we cancelled the class. Today to secure the class, to take the class smoothly, we shifted. Here only the NumPy class is today. Here only NumPy class and sit now only. Don't go out because all of them come means you will not find the chairs. Okay. So shall we move to the further? So now we'll take the main important of this entire thing is small or capital R. Small or capital R. Now I'm telling one important thing, students. Follow me now. I wrote it such a legacy code. I wrote it print, print, print. I wrote it. Are you following? So without writing these many times print, I want to write a simple tip. I will tell you. Look at that. So I will write it match case example 2.py. Match case example 2.py. There I am trying to take match case example 2.py. So go to the place. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. What is our problem is given? This is our menu or not? Take as it is. Take as it is. Put it over here. Everything I pasted. What I do, and you tell me what is this is called generally multi-line string now. Multi-lines. So what I will do simply S is equal to triple double quotes I wrote it. Triple double quotes I wrote it. Here also I will write it what? Triple double quotes I will write it. Here I don't want. This entire thing I don't want. Here I will write like this. Triple double quotes I wrote it. That's all. Print of S. That's all. Print of S. Print of S. What will happen because of that multi-line string I am using it? Try to run once and then see any adjustment we need. We can take care of that. Is it coming or not? So if you want, you can move this side here. If you want, you can move little this side. You can move it for your good-looking output purpose. So I can take like this. Here also you can take like this. So can have like this. Just for adjustment, that's all. Just for adjustment. So try to take care of this. So here I'm going to take it. So there it is going to be like this. So one girl asked by coming to staff room, KVR sir class where it is. Who asked? One girl. You asked? You only asked me only. So some counselor they came and asked, is our class? Maybe you only. No? Okay. So coming to this, because when I was sitting in the counselor place, they came and asked, where is my class? So me only KVR sir class where it is. I said first floor. So actually I want to remember that girl, but I did not remember. So come to the point. Okay, come to this place, students. This is done. So this is available like this. Okay, now let us run this code. Let us run this code. Still you want to move that side? Then how to move? So now I will go to what here? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Now you can easily write it. Tell me. CH is equal to input of enter your choice. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. So there I'm going to take it. Come on. Match of CH. Match of CH. Come on. Capital R. Capital R. Now I will write the code for what? Rectangle. Rectangle code I will write it. What is the rectangle? L comma B is equal to float of enter length. Enter length. Next is called what? Input of. Yes. Compulsory. Input of. I need to write input of. Similarly, I will write what? Comma. Input of what? Breadth. Breadth. So, students, done. It is known as what? Multi-line assignment or not? Okay. Now, rectangle RA is equal to, rectangle area is equal to, tell me, L into B. L into B. Now, I will print it. What is this now? Area of rectangle is equal to dot format of what? RA. RA. This is called capital R. Similarly, I'll go for what? Square. Square. I'll carry this. I'll try to paste it over here. Now I'm writing like this. What I'm doing? Yes, I'm writing. So there I will write it one thing here. What is it? S is equal to enter side. Enter side. And what is this now? RS is equal to SA. SA is equal to square area is equal to S into S. And students, like don't write AS, area of square. Don't write like that because AS is a keyword. AS is a keyword. చూడండి ఇక్కడ AS is a keyword. AS as is a keyword because we are writing import numpy as NP. Did you remember? That is an alias name, students. Don't try to write AS. That's why you write what? SA. S into S. Area of square is equal to, say here, SA. SA. Okay. Now I will take up one more here called what? Circle. Circle I will take it. Circle I will take it. Here I am writing C I will write it. What is this now? Enter radius. Radius. So here I will write capital R. Can take small r even. CA is equal to circle area is equal to what is this now? Pi r square. 3.14 into r star star 2. R star star 2 means r square. Right? Area of what here? Square. Area of what? Square is equal to, okay, circle. Area of what? Circle is equal to CA. CA. I am writing CA. Able to follow? Good. Now I am going to write it of what? T. T. So the T can be written in multiple formulas. So students, I will write it. You can go for two ways. Multiple ways I will show you, not an issue. Here you go. I will carry this now. You do that. What is this now? Base and height I will accept it. Base and height, one formula. Base and height. Enter what? Base. Base. And next is called what? Height. Enter height. So I am writing what? TA. Triangle area is equal to, what is this one? Of BH. Of BH. Of I will write like this. BH I will write like this. B into what? H. Done. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. Triangle is equal to what? TA. TA. This is one thing. One more also I want to write it, students, as a part of this only. As a part of this only I want to take it one more. What are that now? I will take it. Enter three sides. Enter three sides. I will write like this. Print of enter the values for three sides of triangle. This is one more formula. There I will take it. A comma B comma C is equal to float of hmm, input of input of input of. I will take it one more is called what? Float of input of, comma, float of input of, float of input of. Three things I am reading or not? What is the formula, students? Actually, formula for this what I am interested is square root of square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. What is the value of s here? A plus b plus c by 2. S a plus b plus c by what? 2. Like this you need to take. So first I need to calculate what s value, correct? So negative square root also will come. Complex number also will come. Come on. S is equal to, come on, a plus b plus c by 2. A by 2. So next is what? PA is equal to, triangle area is equal to, come on, S into S minus A into S minus A into, next is called star, S minus B into star, S minus C, S minus C, whole of that. Square root is there now. Star what? 0.5. Star 0.5. Are you following? If you are interested, you can take what? If you want, you can take what? Import math. You can apply SQRT also. Import C math. You can import what? SQRT of negative number also you can take it. Like that. So for satisfying both of them, I am taking what? 0.5. Understand, students? Suppose if S value, A value 2, B value 1, C value something like 3, if I take like that, what is happening? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is happening? 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus what? 3 by 2. What is this now? 6 by 2, which is called what? 3. Now what is the answer now? 3 into 3 minus A. Come on, 1. What is the answer? 3 minus 2, 2. Next, S minus C, 0. What is this is going to be complete thing? 0. 0 into star what? 0.5, which is going to become what? 0. I think formula wrong or correct? Formula correct or wrong? Correct formula? You don't know, I also forget. Is this formula is correct? Correct. Pujita is saying that CRT, sir. CRT ante? Correct. ఎంత టాలెంట్ అసలు, మచ్ టాలెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్. సిఆర్టీ, సిఆర్టీ, ఐ థింక్ సో. ఓకే, పూజిత నౌ కరెక్టింగ్ ద సెంటెన్స్. కరెక్ట్ సార్. I think students, this is correct. I hope it is correct only. So when 3 sides are given, formula is like this. I will check it in the internet because it is coming 0. That is a main point. What is the formula for triangle area when 3 sides are given? So what is the formula? 3 sides are given. Area is equal to A square. Something is coming. Half BH. Square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S value? Correct. 1 minute, mom. We'll enter this value 8 by 2. What is the square root of? This square root is for complete now. Formula is S into 3 outside. Okay, anyhow, I will give you this. This I will give you. This is 45 into, yes. This value only I will take care. And I'll run this code. So mainly we don't want to worry about the formula. We will worry about the logic here. So let us go to what next? Case E. Case E, I will take it. What is this now? exit. I will take up import. What is this now? Import sys, and I will write what? Sys dot exit. So I'll write it here, a message using this program, and I'll write sys dot exit off. That's all. So I need not write any default block. You want to write case underscore I will write it. Print of what? Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. Operation is wrong. Try again. So I'll write try again here. So let us run this code. Run this code. So it's like this. I'll say K here. Selection of operation is wrong again. Need to run the code again or not? Say some R here. Say the length 1020. Getting the answer. Perfect. You go to the T, you go for it. Enter the base and send 10, 20, 10, 20, 200 by what? 1 by 2, which is called what? 100. That is no problem. Enter the value for three sides of a triangle. We will take that mathematics formula. So what are the values here? 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, and then 8. So we are going to get nothing. Answer you need to print. We did not print the answer. So execute 468. I will take it. T. I'll write T. So 1020 that is already done. 468 getting. So correct. Correct only. So I will enter our value. What is our value earlier? What is the value? 2, 1. Okay, that is any answer. Let it come. 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. 0. Maybe mathematics we don't know now. That's why this answer is coming. Let it be. Nobody will ask mathematics when you go to an interview. When they say you know mathematics, when they say you say don't know, but I know coding very well. You say so. No problem, students. Mathematics not important. Now we'll move to the further students. I think other kind of things you go for it. Yes, you say capital S. Now say 4. Got the answer. But the thing is, here I am writing small s. I am entering small s. What is happening? Selection of operation is wrong. How you can take care of that? Two chances are there. One is called what? Upper off. That you do that. You do that. You say small s here. Answer is asking 4.5. Output is coming. This is one way. Another way is what? Remove that upper. Any of this you know. This you know, students. I will write it here. R what? Small r. Small r. This is going to be like this. Here I am writing what? Small s. Here I will write what? Small c. In single quote I am writing. You can write single quote also, no problem. Bitwise r I need to write. So here also I will write bitwise r single t. I wrote it. Like this. Here also bitwise r small e. I wrote it. Try to run this now. So here I will write it small c. So 1.2 got the answer. Last and final small t. You say something like 10 and then 30 and then 4 and 6 and then 9. So we got the answer called what? Area of a triangle is equal to something like this. Are you able to follow? So this is called what? This is called the another case called what? Case labels with what? Strings. And when such a type of implementation is given, need not to write a legacy print statement like this. Print like that. Simply we can write like this also. You can write like this also. Able to follow now? So online students, I hope it is more clear for you. I think you understood this. Clear? Fine. So students, one more thing I want to write it. One more code I want to write it. Let us take, this is also one more small implementation. People are using it. Go to one more example I want to tell you. Carefully try to follow. Here I am writing like this. Match case example 3.p1. Match case example 3.p1. Look at. So I'm entering something like this. Enter WKD is equal to input of enter week name. Enter week name. Enter week name. What are the weeks? How many weeks? 7. So what are those? Monday to Sunday. So what is Monday? What is Tuesday? What is Wednesday? What is Thursday? Huh? In the way. What is Friday? Okay. What is Saturday? Weekend. Because you are always underground only. What is Sunday? Holiday. Like Saturday, Sunday you said no? Monday to Friday are working day. Oh, like that. Monday to Friday are working day. Saturday is weekend. The point to remember here is why this is not making to fun. Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or something is called what? For multiple case labels, one answer only coming. That is the point I want to tell you here. Monday to Friday is what? One logic only. That is called working day. Saturday, Sunday are what? Different nature is there. So, Monday to Friday, what is the concept there? Working day. So, how I will combine all of them with bitwise operator? See, students. So, here, match of what? WKD. WKD. What is this now? Case. Monday. I am writing Monday. I don't want to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Long story I don't want to write. What I will write? Tuesday. I will write it Tuesday. That is, I will write in this place like this. Next is called what? Or. I will write like this. Next is what? Wednesday. I will write like this. WD. Wednesday. NESA. NESSA. NESA. Okay. Next is called what after that? Thursday. I will write here. Thursday. Next. Friday. I will write Friday. Friday. Next is called what? That's all. These are called what? Print of. What is this? I will write it. Is what? Working day. Is working day. I will print the day name also, student. Dot format of what? WKD. WKD. Next I will write it what? Case. What I will write it? Saturday. Saturday I will write it. Saturday I will write it. Print of what here? Is what? Weekend. 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 Dot format of what? WKD. WKD. Next case what? Next? Sunday. Sunday. There I will write holiday. So is holiday. Is holiday. So done. So format of what? WKD. WKD. Next I will write what? Case underscore. Print of what here? Is not a weekday. Is not a weekday. Important student. Is not a weekday. Format of, because this is also one implementation, one of the system test student. Format of. Still coding is not completed. Still the actual problem I will introduce. Beginning. Are you following me? These are all multiple case labels mixed with what? Bitwise OR operator. Let's run this code. So I'm telling here Monday. So it is going to give you what? Working day. I'll say here Friday. So I'm taking Friday. It is going to be what? So FRIDAY. So something went wrong. FRIS is there. So try to run here. FRIDAY is called what? Working day. Like that you enter THURSDAY is working day. Now you enter Saturday. What is that? Weekend. You enter, what is this now? Sunday. Is called what? Holiday. You enter, next is called what? So something like Python day. What is happening? Is not a weekday. Is not a weekday. Are you able to follow? Now the point is, I am writing in what here? Capital letters. But I may enter one